Believe it or not, leadership is not just for the officers in your club.
Every 4-H member can learn to be a successful leader. So what does a successful 4-H leader look like?
Hello, my name is Audrey.
I'm Jessica Laffey.
We are part of the Larimer County 4-H Junior Leadership Club. This video is about how to be a great leader as a 4-H member.
Figure out what you're good at or what you like to do. We all have different talents and we all do different projects.
Some of us enjoy the livestock projects.
Some enjoy building projects. Some shooting sports. Every 4-H'er does a project suited to them, and thus we all contain information. Information and how it's used. It makes up the backbone of being a good leader.
Think of some leaders you know. Maybe it's a parent or a teacher, or an older sibling or a coach. I bet they're all probably very different people, but they all probably have one thing in common. They know how to communicate their knowledge or information effectively. What would happen if you logged on to your online class and the teacher just stared blankly at you? You know they have the information, they just don't communicate. No one would ever learn, no one would ever get better. Thankfully, teachers are some of the best communicators we have. As 4-H members, it is our obligation to share knowledge. Now that you know that you have information and need to share, the next step is to actually plan on how you're going to share your information.
A presentation is a great way to share your knowledge. Why? Because you're telling people about a specific project they might not have even ever heard of before. You can tell them why you like this project or why you think it'd be a great project for them. Talk about free advertising for your leadership skills.
Another great way to share information is by serving your club as an officer. Officers share their knowledge a lot, whether it be from how to effectively run a meeting to how to plan an activity.
Now these are just ideas, like you can help your 4-H club plan a community service activity, or see a 4-H member struggling to finish their project and help them get it done.
We all have talents, abilities, and knowledge, meaning we all can be great leaders. The trick is how to share that knowledge and how to share it effectively.
There are many ways to share knowledge, and some are easier than others. Figure out which ones work best for you and get busy. This video is brought to you by the Larimer County 4-H Junior Leadership Club. The Larimer County 4-H Junior Leadership Club is a secondary club for members ages 13 or older who want to get more out of the 4-H experience. Thank you.